Hi guys, I'm Elizabeth, and here is a quick recap of today's Sunday service at the Elizade University Chapel, and I'm here with
Michael,
Acer,
Penny,
Adeola,
Bokwe.
So tell me, Bokbemi, what's your take home for today?
the sermon part,
the praise and worship.
the drama, and of course the choir presentation.
The topic was Abba Father, and we were told about God's love for us. How, since we're God's children, there are a lot of things that He has in store for us, good things and not bad things. And then we should ask for whatever we want: health, kingdom, prosperity, and
in anything we do, we have to acknowledge and put God first.
And now, bringing us to a close on today's recap, the text was taken from the book of Romans chapter 8, verse 1 to 39. And the topic, Abba Father, by Reverend Landro Vitor. And your take home, I challenge you to always know, to work with the consciousness that you are Abba, baby boy or baby girl for life. Bye-bye.